Hi, this is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry, and it is day 12 of Advent, so we're going to be opening panel 12 here, and hopefully there are no fire alarms while we're doing this. So, like I said in the intro, we're doing day 12. I'll have to just figure out where that is. I got Duncan up here with me. Oh, day 12's right there. And if you're wondering why I said no fire alarms, they're testing the fire alarms in the building for some reason in the middle of winter, even though they tested them like 3 months ago. And the dogs are freaking out, so that's why Duncan's up here with me. And Leonard is hiding under this couch that I'm sitting on. So, yeah, let's get started on day 12. And in case you're unaware, our regular content that we're doing is all set up as premieres. So it's all uploaded because we're traveling out into the middle of nowhere, Quebec, where the internet is faster than dial-up but more inconsistent. So, yeah, rather than upload everything the day of, we just put all of our stuff up on YouTube, so you'll see the premieres. Make sure you've rung the bell so you're notified when the premiere debuts. So yeah, let's get started with this. I'm just looking at the little poly bag, trying to figure out what this is. It looks like it's got a gun, but I don't think it's supposed to be a gun. Let's take a look here. It's a ice cream machine, looks like. Yeah, I'll have to figure out how to do that. It literally has a pistol. 2 pistols, actually. Which is funny, because LEGO has that whole thing of, we'll never have weapons, or never have guns, and then they're like, except for these guns. Bam, bam. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the ice cream thing. So this goes like that. Take the little triple ball guy here, and then stick it on top of this here cone, which is just like a cone with a pin and a through hole peg there. And it's a Lego Man ice cream cone. Okay, next we are leaning over everything, messing up the acoustics. And this, we're taking these little curvy, bendy pieces here, 2 of those, connecting them to this 2-stud single peg plug. Exciting stuff. Stick that in there. I'm just kind of going top down with this. That then connects to these on the side. This is just like mind-rending, trying to figure out how they do this. It would be nice if they had little pamphlets in these for like the little fold-out things, but I guess this kind of reduces waste, which is a good idea. It's just, if these even just tore off, that would be way better. But yeah. Okay, that goes on top of that. So then I'm just going to go from the bottom up now. We're going to take these guys, the little ones with the little frills on the side, the little ripples. Stick this on there. Oop. We're going to put the little grate on there, as you can see. And then we put the guns on the sides as handles, I guess. I don't know. I guess, yeah, it's like a pump. Like when you go to like an ice cream parlor, you pull down on like the pump to like let the ice cream come out of the thing, if they're not like served in like dishes. I guess that's soft serve is when they do the pumps, right? So yeah, it came with a extra bit of ice cream, a pink peg, and an extra gun. We'll give the dog a gun. It's Metal Gear Solid 5 all over again. Dog has a gun. Don't mess with the dog. Give the dog the chicken, and no one gets hurt. So, there we go. And yeah, I think that about covers the build. So let us know down in the comments below what you thought. What is your guys' favorite ice cream flavor? Let us know down below. Personally, I like mint chocolate as well as butterscotch ripple. Honestly, any ice cream is usually good ice cream. Yeah, let us know down below what you think. I hope you have a great day. And if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, we do appreciate your subscription. Like I've said before, we post regular content on Mondays and bonus content on Thursdays, and for the remaining days of Advent, we're going to be posting a daily video of these little mini builds. And so you don't miss out on that, make sure you ring the bell for notifications and don't miss any of our videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and a joyous Kwanzaa. Bye for now.